If you're not aware of your date of birth or time of birth, is there a way by which you can know the strength of your planets? So we have a beautiful tool, the tool of palmistry, using which we can study our palms and see the strength of our planets. How do we do that? Observe your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand. It is said that the dominant hand is the hand of our karma, and your non-dominant hand is the hand of your destiny or bhagya. So if you want to see your destiny, you see your non-dominant hand or palm, and if you want to see your karma or you want some guidance regarding your karma, you see your dominant hand or dominant palm. Right? Now, coming to the planets. The first one, which is below your thumb, this is the mount of Venus for beauty, luxury, comfort, love more than anything else. So, this is the mount of Venus. Jupiter, below your first finger or index finger, is the mount of Jupiter or Guru. Your wisdom, your knowledge, expansion, growth, everything is related to Jupiter. Saturn, this is the mount of Saturn, just below your middle finger. So this holds your destiny. That is why the line coming out from this mount is also called the fate line. Right? This is all about your karma also. The sanchit karma, the karma that you have accumulated so far. Next is the mount of sun, which is just below your ring finger. The line coming out from the mount of sun, this line you can see right here, this is the sun line, which denotes success, your worldly success. Right? Next one is your mount of Mercury, just below your little finger. This is for your communication, your throat chakra, your self-expression, networking, education, learning. So all this is seen from the mount of Mercury. This is the mount of Luna or Moon, your mind, your thoughts, both your conscious and your subconscious mind is seen from this mount. Now Mars, the planet Mars has two places as per Kiro, a German palmist. So this part is the positive Mars, and the part here between your heart line and head line, this is your negative Mars. So the negative side of Mars is aggression, conflict, ego, right? And the positive Mars is strength, courage, power, also wisdom, right? So when you're seeing Mars, see this mount right above Venus as well as this part between your heart line and head line to see the negative aspect of Mars, right? Now, the elements fire, air, space or akash, earth, water, right? Now the lines of the hands, once again, the line right here, this is your heart line. The line at the middle is your head line. Heart line is to do with emotions, feelings. Head line, your intellect. Life line, everything to do with your life. The sun line coming out from the mount of sun going down, this is your sun line, success. The line of intuition comes out of Mercury and goes down. It may or may not join the sun line. In my hand, it joins the sun line. So this is the line of intuition. When you have this line of intuition and when it joins the sun line, that means you have a very, very powerful intuition, right? So these are the lines that you should remember. apart from this, there is a line that you can see coming out from the mount of Luna or Moon and meeting the lifeline. This is the travel line. There's a line coming out which is parallel to the lifeline and going like this. This is your health line. The line which is just above your heart line, this is the line of marriage and partnerships. All right? Now, if you want to observe which planet is strong for you, all you need to do is take your palm and just press it a little bit from all sides. You see this? The mount of Venus is elevated. This means that I have a very strong Venus. Next is the mount of Jupiter. You see this elevated? You see this? This means a strong Jupiter. So observe which mount is elevated and which is depressed. Whichever is depressed, that mount, that planet may be weak for you. So that planet would need strength. And whichever planet, whichever mount is elevated, that is already very strong for you. If you wish, you can always strengthen it further. Right? Now, apart from this, observe very carefully. Right here at the tip of your fingers, these are the phalanges. These are the 3 phalanges. Right here, at times, you may have a spiral here. This is called the Sudarshan Chakra. If any of your mounts, any of your fingers have this Sudarshan Chakra at the tip, that particular planet is extremely strong and powerful for you. That could be your ruling planet, and you can have multiple ruling planets also. So doing anything related to that particular planet would be very beneficial for you. So observe which of your fingertip has this Sudarshan Chakra, which is nothing but a spiral, right? Also, if you see your thumb, it is said that this part is willpower and this part is determination. And remember, this is also your Mars above the Venus. This is your positive Mars. So Mars also gives us willpower and determination. So if you want to check that, just take your thumb and pull it back. If you see it's tight, it's not very flexible, then you have a very strong willpower. Your determination, your courage, that shows. And if it bends very easily, for some people I've seen it almost touches your wrist. So if that happens, you're very flexible. Could also mean that you need more willpower, more determination to finish your task, right? So observe this when you want to check your willpower or your determination. So these are the few things that you can remember for now. I will share more details about the lines and about the mounts with you in my next video. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for listening.